Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. I promise I won't make you look at me for too long. But as a lot of you know, I've been doing the monthly knife club boxes for quite a while now. And this past month, April's box, David H. came up with a question for me. And he's like, hey, can you go back and buy previous month's boxes? Quick and dirty answer, no, you can't. You can't go back and, say you want to buy January's box. Not possible. But you can go there. They have stock of the knives they've bought for their different levels because they have different, I get the name brand knife, but they've got Onyx, they've got the Zippo, they've got knife and watch, they've got knife only. There's several of their different subscriptions that you can get. Now, they have overstock of those items, and it's just like a regular retailer. And most of the prices, some of the knives are on sale, marked down right now, like 15, 20%. But it's just like a regular retailer. You can go and look at what they have in stock and buy one-offs of flashlights, knives, whatever they have. So, the other thing that they do have is they have grab bags. Kind of like a mystery knife club box in a way, is you can't choose what you're going to get, but they have different tiers. They have 5 different tiers. I mentioned the Onyx knife. That's a single knife. It's a higher end knife, but they do create a grab bag with one of those knives in there plus different items. Now that grab bag is $250. Okay, you're guaranteed something, a retail value of $299 or more. So that's what they have. They also have different tiers of 1 through 4 for their name brand and all the other knives that they have. Tier 1, $50, you're guaranteed a $75 value. Tier 2, $75, and you're guaranteed a $75 or more value. So tier 2, I don't know. Tier 3, $100. Guaranteed $125 or more. And then tier 4, $150, guaranteed $199 or more. So there again, it's kind of like a mystery knife club. You can't choose what you're going to get. It's a complete grab bag. So in response to David's question, shout out to David H. I appreciate your question very much. I have one of the grab bags right here, and we're going to see what's in it. Most likely, I'm going to get some repeat items, because I have been getting them for quite some time. I hope we get something new, but, I wanted to answer Dave's question, and I thought, hey, this might be a fun way to do it. So I have a Tier 4 grab bag right here. That's more of a grab box, though. $150 value, and $150 is what I paid, guaranteed $199 value or more. So let's get to the tabletop and see what's in this grab bag. Thanks again for your question, David. All right, so here is our box. Like I said, it's a Tier 4. That's $150, guaranteed to be $199 or more in value. We'll probably do this a little bit different than what I do. I usually take it off the screen when I do the regular monthly knife club. I'm going to step over to the side. Okay, good, I got it open. So, let's see what's in this monthly knife club box. Wow. Well, monthly knife club grab bag. Gotta watch what I say. So right off the bat, you can see some of the items. We have gotten paracord in an item before, as an item in a box. Very cool. I mean, paracord comes in very handy. 550 paracord, 100 feet. Very, very useful item. I have done paracord for quite some time. Now I'm going to look through the box. Oh, this is interesting. I have a note with my name on it. So, let's see. It says, hi, we just wanted to thank you for picking your Tier 4 grab bag. We went back and looked through your previous orders, month subscription, in an effort to avoid duplicates. Well, that's kind of cool. In case you wanted to order again in the future, this was particularly difficult given the long Ultimate box history with us. Dude, that is super, super cool. Here is a layout of what we sent you. Okay, we've got that. Very cool. They say it's a total value of $295. Anyone, if you have any questions or concur, please reach out. Best regards, Daryl Buckholtz, founder, Monthly Knife Club Ella. Dude, that's pretty cool. They actually went back, because I'm a subscriber, which that is an interesting, like I said, I've been doing this for a long time. Many months, many years at this point, I think. Very cool. Okay. That's pretty cool. Oh, we've got some more fire starter. I have actually used this stuff to start fires in the grill. It works absolutely fantastically. That's how I start my grill now. I use a fire starter and a flint. That's how I start it. I've got so much of these, type fire starters going on. Works great. Works absolutely fantastic. Very cool. So, all right. So now we're down to, what do we have in the box? Well, let's do this guy. So this is a Camilis. Carbonitride titanium. I can read. Really, I can. G10 handle. VG10 steel. Oh, yes, something with VG10. You know what? I'm going to take this guy out, and we're going to look at it. Like I said, this is a little bit different. I definitely have not had one of these before. Is it open? It's coming open. Almost open. There, it's open. You guys definitely heard that. All right. So these little Camilis knives. Very cool. VG10 steel, huh? I love VG10. It's not assisted. That's good. Jumps out there. It's got that wicked tanto style blade on it and a drop. There you go. Camilis. VG10. Nice. Ooh. Oh, we got tip down carry on it. I mean, it's a budget Camilis. Camilis Tanto 2. That is the model. $48.95 is what they say the retail value of this is. Dude, VG10 steel. I'm definitely digging on that. I like VG10. Tantos aren't my favorite. And it's got tip down carry. Tip up, that's pretty much what we see from it any on. But, it is what it is. So next, we got us a Bestechman. This is the Bestechman Cicada's Wing. Now, we've had the Cicada's Wing on the channel before. I don't remember if it was in a Monthly Knife Club box. I mean, I can't remember. Oh, but it definitely is PEI. Oh, I love the blade shape of the Cicada's Wing. Absolutely love the blade shape. What do we got on there? 10 CR. So that's, kind of sort of the equivalent of VG10 anymore, because we don't see VG10 in... Dude, that is super, super light. Holy cow, that PEI is very light. That is one aspect of the PEI that I like. Dude, that is super smooth. Cicada's Wing, PEI, $60 is what they say the retail value is on this one. Deep carry clip, reversible, crossbar lock. Dude, that is super, super smooth. Very nice. God, okay, I'm going to bring the scale over here because this one is so dang light. I've got to see what the weight is on it. Oh, well, I'm starting grams. Why not? Holy smokes, 56 grams. 2 ounces. God, that is light. Holy smokes, that is light. Very, very cool. Like I said, we've seen the Cicada's Wing on the channel before. Yeah. All right, we're going to keep going. Let's get our box back. All right, we've got a CRKT. What do we have here? CRKT Apoch. Apoch. I can read. Apoch. I'm pretty sure I have not seen the Apoch on the channel before. So cool. I mean, this... Dude, if they went through it like they said they did, And, you know, this is going to be great content for the channel. Absolutely. Absolutely. Now, this one's just the opposite. This one's got some weight to it. This is definitely different than the Cicada's wing. Whoa! Holy smokes, look at that blade. Look at that. Look at the work on that blade. Holy cow. Apoch. An Oaks design. Holy cow. Yeah, this one is, I mean, obviously it's much bigger, but yeah, it's got some heft. Wow. Oh, that feels really good in hand. Holy cow, that feels really good in hand. Absolutely. We've even got the work on the handle there. Very nice. Obviously, some letterboxing going on. Lanyard hole. Pretty deep carry clip. You will see maybe that little bit of a peak sticking out of your pocket. Very, very. That blade is wicked, though. Wild. So, they say it's discontinued. They have discontinued on here. And this one is $90. Now, you know me. I've talked about CRKT and their pricing many, many times. What's the blade steel on it? Does it say? Does it say anywhere? I'm not seeing it. I don't think it says on the box. Now, we'll have to check that out. But we might have more review fodder for the channel. Terrific. The access to the lock bar, not necessarily the best. Then we have a with armor. We've seen one or two with armor knives. Again, with armor knives and tools. It's more of a budget model. They're saying this one, this is the with armor finches. Hey, finches. We know I like finches. Do I like knives that are just named finches, though? All right, feels like we've got maybe an aluminum handle going on. Flipper knife. Lanyard hole. Oh, tip down carry again. Ooh, that's a little pokey stabby right there. The with armor finches. With armor logo right on the blade. I know some folks aren't going to really care. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff on the blade. Can't really read it through the... If you guys can read it, you can tell me what it says. A 440C, there we go. Oh, interesting little knife. Definitely a budget knife. That's got to be on washers. There can't be on bearings. Yep, I think I can see the white of the washer in there. I think. Yeah, I think so. Yep, there we go. Yep. And a budget. I mean, it's not a bad little knife. It feels okay in hand. Tip down carry again, though. Like I said, I know there's a lot of writing. There's a lot of writing on that blade. Doesn't affect the way the blade works at all. You know, I just know aesthetically it's not overly pleasing. I totally get that. And last but not least, we'll get rid of the box finally. We have a Trivisa. And let's see, does it tell us on the box? Koala? Koala. Duh. Read. I said I could read. Apparently I can't. We'll use this little guy to slice the plastic. So the Trivisa Koala L, $66 retail value. Now, as I mentioned, you know, in the intro, you can buy these knives one-off or flashlights or whatever they have in stock that they've bought for the monthly Knife Club boxes. You can buy them as a one-off. You know, it's just like a retailer. You're going to pay retail price. Some of them are, you know, marked down 15, 20% as they're on sale. But it basically just turns into a regular retail store. Oh, we got some stickers. I like their sticker. Got a cleaning cloth, care and use, some information. Ooh, we got a nice little pouch. Well, that's kind of cool. And we have, oh, it's kind of that's another little guy. Ugh, plastic open. Get it out. Oh, again, feels like we have an aluminum handle. Wow, that is a brilliant, brilliant blue. Back spacer, thumb studs, lanyard post there, deep carry clip, reversible. crossbar lock. Ooh, I like that blade. I mean, you guys know I like, let's see if that helps at all. Very, very cool. Nice little blade. There we go. Sort of that leaf-shaped blade. Let's see here. Feels pretty good in hand. It's pretty much a 3-finger knife. I do feel the clip a little bit, just because of the size of the knife and where it's getting me right there. So, bear down on it. It's okay. Definitely can feel it more than I would like to. You know what? I'm really going to, just to break in here, I'm really going to have to send them an email and thank them for going back. Because I've not seen, the only one I can swear I've done a review on is the Cicada's wing. I've had so many knives through Monthly Knife Club anymore. But can't remember if I got it through a Cicada's wing, through Monthly Knife Club or not. But cool little Trivisa. Like I said, this is going to be great fodder for the channel. Love it. And when I say fodder, I mean review material, potentially giveaway or sale knives. So very cool. So this is what I got. This is a tier 4 grab bag. This is not the regular subscription Monthly Knife Club box. These knives could have come out of one of their several different subscriptions, for sure. Who knows? And any of the different levels as well, because sometimes, you know, with the Ultimate name brand that I get, there are lower levels. You got the Advanced, you got the Premium. Sometimes when you get the Ultimate, they put that higher tier or higher value knife in there, and they remove one of the lower value knives from one of the other, you know, lower level Advanced or Premium. So you don't always get every single knife, you know, just because it's in the Advanced plan of the name brand knife doesn't mean you're necessarily going to get it in the Ultimate when you get that higher tier knife. So tier 4, we got the Trivisa Koala. We got the Bestechman Cicada's wing. We got the CRKT Apoch. Wow, let's do this. We got the Apoch. We're going to do that. We'll put that guy right there because this little Camilis Tanto 2 is a little bit bigger. And then, of course, we got our fire starter. And we got our paracord. So, there you go. That is a tier 4 grab bag from Monthly Knife Club box. So, David H., I greatly appreciate the question you asked. I'm sure that question has been asked previously. But for some reason, your question just spurred this on. So, greatly appreciate it. And I also greatly appreciate Monthly Knife Club going back and looking, you know, if they really did, which I'm, you know, full faith, you know, they said they did. So I'm betting they did. They went back, looked at all the subscription boxes I got, and sent me some stuff that I hadn't seen before. So I think that is super, super cool. And let's see, I forget what it says. In an effort to avoid duplicates and in case you wanted to order again in the future. That's really neat. That is super cool. So shout out to Monthly Knife Club for doing that, for hooking us up and, you know, hopefully not giving us any repeats. That is super, super cool. So thanks, guys. Thanks again, David H., for your question, for spurring this video. Greatly appreciate every single one of you stopping by to check it out today. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye, guys.